Hello and welcome to tip 2 of Tips Tuesday. So today's video is going to be about a Japanese and a Korean skincare tip that can literally save your skin and make it look 10 times younger. But of course, consistency is the key, and if you want to see quick results, try doing it every day, preferably after you wake up in the mornings. But if that's not possible, that's completely fine. You can do it at least 3 to 4 times a week. This tip is pretty much simple, and for this you're going to need just 3 things: soda water or carbonated water or a sparkling water, a mineral water, and a bowl. Mix equal proportions of soda water and mineral water into the bowl and tie your hair up in a knot. Now immerse your face into this bowl. Continue this process for about 3 to 4 minutes, but of course taking breath breaks in between. Now, why washing your face with carbonated water works? This happens because of 3 major reasons. Number 1 reason is that the pH level of normal tap water with which we wash our face every day is 7.0, and washing your face every day with the same tap water is going to dry out your skin, which it is doing right now. You must have observed that after washing your face with tap water, it becomes very dry and the skin age process becomes much more faster. But the pH level of this carbonated water is 5.5, which is exactly the pH level of your skin. And if you wash your face with this carbonated water, it not only cleanses your face thoroughly but also restores the normal natural pH level, which is 5.5 of your skin. Number 2 reason as to why this works is because this carbonated water unclogs your pores by entering your pores and breaking down all dirt, oil, sebum and impurities, as a result of which your skin or your face gets thoroughly cleaned, and eventually the breakouts or any uneven skin tone, pimples or acne here and there also reduce at a great extent. Number 3 reason is that it increases the circulation of your skin, because this carbon dioxide which is present in this carbonated drink, it brings or flushes blood and oxygen onto your skin, and as a result your skin becomes brighter and it becomes glowy, and all the smaller wear and tears that keep on happening are all repaired and your skin looks much younger. So next time when you wash your face, consider buying a soda bottle, and if you already have one, consider using one, because you will see instant results, trust me. Now coming to my topic of next video, which is going to be really special. It's very personal to me because these 3 topical creams literally saved my skin weeks before my wedding. I was having too much tension, because of which I was breaking out and I was having adult or hormonal acne around my jaws and chin. But the moment I started using it, within 2 to 3 weeks, my whole face cleared and my skin looked so much even and it was so much brighter and fairer. So thank you for watching this video, and have you ever tried this tip before watching this video? If yes, then let me know how did you find it, and if no, then are you going to try it or not after watching this video? Just let me know in the comments section below. So this is Chetna signing off. I love you all. Bye.